So very good evening guys. Today we are back with another problem, and today's problem is finding the maximum volume present in a cuboid. Okay, so for solving this problem, what basically first we are going to do is we are going to see what is given in the user function and what we have to get. So here comes the interesting part. As in the question, we have to find the volume of a cuboid. So volume of a cuboid. So I'm going to quickly write the formula for volume of a cuboid. The volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. Okay, but you know that this length and this breadth and height, these are all not given in the question. So in the question they've given the formula as double volume, and in that volume they are passing the two parameters. One is perimeter, and the other is area. So if you see clearly, I just only know the perimeter and the area and nothing else. Okay, so but how am I going to get the length and breadth and then compute the volume of this cuboid? So basically what I have to do is I have to derive the formula in order to do this. So they've turned this as an easy problem. The problem is easy. Consider if you know how to derive this formula. Okay, so for that we have to also know the perimeter and the area formulas, right? So over here what I'm going to quickly do is I'm going to write perimeter equals to, the formula for perimeter is 4 into L plus B plus H. Okay, and the similar way the formula for the area is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, these are the two important formulas that you need to know in order to solve this particular problem. So now that we have to only use perimeter and area, the two variables, by solving this particular problem and return the volume, then we have to derive some sub formulas. Okay, so derive some sub formulas. What I'm going to do is, this is a P, this is a B. So I'm going to assume, first I'm going to assume that my length is equals to my breadth. Okay, so when I'm assuming this two, what I can write it as P equals to 4 into L plus H. Okay, if I write it like this, how am I going to find H? So I'm going to write it like this: 4 into 2L plus H, right, equals to 8L plus H equals to P. Okay, so from here I'm going to find the value of H. So H equals to, what I can see clearly, H equals to, I've been given 4 into 2L plus H, right? So 4 into L plus B plus H, 4 into L plus B plus H. Okay. So if I want to find the value of H, I can write H equals to P minus F 8L. Okay, P minus of 8L by you can see that it is 8L plus 4H plus 4H. So 4 over here as well, right? So H equals to P by 4 minus of L by 2. P by 4 minus of L by 2, which is 8 by 4, which is 12. So this is my derivation number 1. I'm going to find the height like this. This is my height. Okay, now I also know another formula, which is my area, right? So I can write area equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, so area equals to 2 into, for this I have to check, I have equated the terms, right? So L equals to, I have taken L equals to B, so I can write L into L plus L into H plus LH. Okay, from this I'm going to do 2 into L square plus 2 LH. So my area comes 2L square plus 4 LH. Sorry, yeah, my area comes 2L square plus 4 LH. So this is my another formula. Now I'm going to substitute 1 and 2. So I'm going to write substitute 1 in 2. So if I substitute 1 and 2, what I can get area as equals to 2L square. So 2L square will be 2L square. 2L square will be 2L square. After this, what I'm going to do, plus 4 into L will be L will be L, into H I will substitute. So the value of H I will take from the above, which has to be P by 4 minus of 12 P by 4 minus of 2L, right? So I've taken this. From here, I will take 2L square plus 4 into L into P minus of 8L by 4, P minus of 8L by 4. So my area will be 2L square plus, if I cut out this additional parts, I will be getting a formula as PL minus of 8L square, PL minus of 8L square equals to A. So what I can see, I'm getting minus of 6L square plus PL equals to A. So if I want to make this term positive, what I'm going to do is 6L square, okay, 6L square minus of LP plus A equals to 0. So this becomes my final formula. Now I have to use quadratic equation formula, quadratic equation formula. So according to that formula, the formula which I am going to use is b square a square a square a square equals to, what formula I can write? L equals to minus b root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? So what I can do is a, b and c are my terms, right? So from here I'm going to substitute the value, I'm going to find out L. So L equals to what I can write is since 6, yeah, so I can write is P plus minus of B, which is minus of minus P is plus P, plus minus root over of P square minus of 4AC. So 4 into 6 into A by 2A. So 2 into 6, which is 12. So I can get the formula for P equals to plus minus. In case of plus minus, what I can write? Minus, because we have to remove the negative term, because if we take P, there will be a negative term. Okay, if you compute, you will get to know what is that. So it will be P minus 24A by 12. So this is our length, and we have a height. If you check, P by 4 minus 12. So for volume, so for the following function, the algorithm will be double volume. We have perimeter and area. So we are going to find out the length. Okay, so if we are going to find out the length first, I'm going to declare a double L. So double L equals to P minus of math dot sqrt of, I'm going to take P square. So P into P minus 24 into A. This entire thing by 12. Okay. Similarly, my double H, there will be value of my H. So what is the value of my H? If I write the value of my H, the value of my H will be P by 4 minus of 2 star L. Okay. So this is my formula, and while volume, I can take double volume equals to, I can take the value of double volume equals to length into height, because I'm assuming length and breadth are equal. Okay. After this, I can return this volume, and done. This was all about today's problem. So first I'm going to execute this problem in this over here. So if you see, I'm executing this particular problem. I'm going to write over here a function. So double L equals to, say I'm not going to take perimeter and area. So say I'm going to take just perimeter and area as P and A. So I can write double L equals to P plus, we have to write P minus, because my formula was P minus of math, P minus of math dot sqrt of, first I have to take P star P p star t, p square minus of, I'm going to take 24 star a. So this is mat dot sqrt. Okay, so we have done mat dot sqrt, we have done that. Okay, now we have to do this division by 12. Now we have to take double h equals to, we will take over here p by 4, we can take p by 4 minus of 2 star l, p by 4 minus of 2 star l. Okay, now I can write double v equals to l star h, and I can return v. So let's compile. So this was all about today's problem statement. So it involves some of the mathematical components of how you can derive this particular formula. Okay, so I've written the mathematical component over here. If you want to go back ahead in time, this is the length and breadth and height of a cuboid, and if you see, there are some geometrical facts about the cuboid. Okay, so we are looking forward to solve more problems tomorrow. Thank you.